So today here at the Green Technology Center, we didn't have, I didn't have any students come into welding, but there's a couple that came into the other classes, but they really weren't doing anything. So they called them all up front to the break area. I decided that was a good opportunity for me to go see if any of them were interested in coming back and playing welding with me, because I'd rather have students than sit in there and do all the computer stuff and paperwork I'm supposed to do. So I'll probably get in trouble for that later. But anyway, had a couple of them come back. They were criminal justice students. They took criminal justice and computer repair. So they come back here. One of them wanted to weld, the other one just wanted to watch. So I had them for a little bit. We did some TIG welding, showed them how to do a little edge joint, and then the other one we did a T-joint. So I'll show you the pictures of the welds. But the point is, when you're teaching somebody how to weld, help them out. Don't just let them go through the same struggles that you did. You know, if you've been welding for a while, you know some things that work. Share that stuff. Over my years, I've seen some times where folks just didn't want to share how they did it. In other cases, we might not know how to share it well. I'm by no means a master teacher at this stuff. I've been doing this for about 3 years. But, you know, I do try to approach it with the thought that I want that person to be encouraged to continue working and to always improve. You know, I tell them I can always find something wrong with your weld that you can do better, but I can also always find something wrong with my weld I can do better, and I've been doing it for a while. But these pictures here are going to kind of show you some of the welds that he made, and I will talk about them a little bit. Keep on going like you're going. You're looking good. Get a little closer. I believe that's a winner right there. That's not bad for your, what we say, this is about your first hour of welding training. This is going to be your second ever weld. Stay right there. There you go. Get a little closer. A little closer, a little closer. Oh, slow down a little bit, slow down a little bit. There you go, come on. And get to the end, boom. There you go. That was pretty good for your second ever weld. Your first one looked pretty good.